I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to check your Volvo XC90 oil level. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a completely level surface. This is crucial for an accurate measurement. Next, let the engine cool down for at least 5 minutes after driving. For the most accurate reading, the vehicle should have been driven for at least 20 miles before checking. Now, turn your Volvo XC90 ignition to the OFF position, making sure the engine is not running. From the center display's home view, swipe right to left to access the app view. Then, tap on car status and select status to bring up the electronic oil level reading. This display will show your current oil level. Once on the status screen, you will see the oil level displayed between the MIN and MAX marks. An oil level that falls anywhere within this range is considered perfectly normal and ideal for your engine. If your reading is within these boundaries, you do not need to take any further action regarding your engine oil. If your oil level is below the MIN mark, you will need to add engine oil. First, locate the oil filler cap under the hood, typically marked with an oil can symbol. Add oil slowly, no more than 1 quart or 1 liter at a time. Wait 5 minutes, then recheck the level using the center display. It is crucial not to overfill, as excessive oil can lead to serious engine issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.